Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're in Steam now. Go straight to your profile so you can remove recent items. Once on your profile, open the activity feed and scan for the exact posts, screenshots, or comments you want gone. Make sure you're using the desktop app because web/mobile might hide some delete controls. Click the three dots on any activity item to expose delete or hide options. Use them selectively so you don't remove anything you want to keep. Now act on each item. Click the three-dot menu and choose Delete to remove activity posts or comments. This removes them from your feed immediately. For screenshots and videos, open each media item, then select Delete from the gear or three-dot menu. Steam will confirm before permanent removal. If Delete isn't present, choose Hide to remove it from public view. Once done, refresh your profile to confirm the items are gone and finish by adjusting privacy if playtime or owned games still appear. Edit profile right arrow privacy settings right arrow set game details to private. This hides playtime and library from others. If you must erase a game's record, use Steam support, pick the game, and request removal from your account. This is permanent, so be certain. If changes don't show, clear Steam's download cache or log out and back in. Still failing, contact Steam support and provide exact items and timestamps so they can assist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.